Locate an empty parking space and indicate your turn signal. Align left rearview mirror with the corner of the parking space line. Before reversing, check for other vehicle. Turn the steering wheel all the way to the right and continue driving. When you see the corner of the parking space in the left rearview mirror, turn the steering wheel all the way to the left and reverse. When your car body is parallel to the parking space, straighten your steering wheel and continue reversing.